Hey, hey. Ah.
What's going on, guys? Guess what we got? Tim's doing a video because he literally did all the wiring on that truck himself. He soldered everything. He pulled the parts out at LKQ, pull apart and everything. He did all of the work himself. And I'm real proud of him right now. So we got the jumper pack hooked up, but we did not cheat off camera. We are going to hook the power to the jumper pack. And we got a fire extinguisher. We got everything, the pins pulled from the fire extinguisher because we don't know what's going to happen. We're going to do this live with you guys. So for you guys on my channel, go check out TJ's Auto. This is his first Copart car. It's his first repair, hopefully. We'll see. We'll see. Let's get to it. You can see all the solder stuff down there in the bottom.
Yeah, I leaked a little bit.
So this has not had power put to it yet.
No, sir.
And we're about to do that live on camera.
We are.
Your first build.
I'm nervous.
Your first repair. Your first Copart car here.
Uh-huh.
And all we got to do is take this piece and stick it in there, and this thing's got power.
Or it might not.
All right, is the key on, off, what is it?
I believe it's in the ignition. Yeah. All right.
All right, you ready to do this? Hold the camera. You keep your eyes on the gauges and everything. I'll keep my eye on smoke or fire out here, and we'll see what happens. If power comes on and we don't have any problems, go ahead and try to start it.
All right.
All right?
Let me know when you're ready.
I will.
We got noise. We got gauges. Radio. Mirror. Interior lights. Looks like we might have one out. Not too awful worried about it. Well, let's go ahead and try to start it. No, sir. Try it again. Maybe I gotta have my foot on the brake. Nope. All right, so it won't start. All right, so we got the truck working, I'm pretty sure. So gonna go to try to start it, and we'll see what happens. We've been out here for the last 3 or 4 hours trying to get this, figure this thing out. Thought it was a missing wire. That turned out not to be completely true. But what we think it is that we've got kind of the wrong relay box. But hey, hey. Ah. Well, it's better than it was doing. There she goes. And it's gone again. And we are running. Yes, ma'am. All right. All right, let me show you what we did here. Of course, you know, this is our old fuse box. It's all kinds of done. Yeah. We got all these wires spliced. Of course, I made a mess down here. Showed you that earlier. Everything looks pretty good. Just got to get the battery tray back in, get everything bolted back together where it goes, and clean her up, and she'll be ready to go.
Try to move it forward and backwards.
Should.
Put it in gear. Well, try backwards.
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking.
I'll holler when to stop. E-brakes on.
Oh. Thanks, sir.
Keep going. Keep going. Park. Put it in drive.
We have drive. Sweet. This guy figured it out all by himself for the most part. I put the wires together, but he found the problem why it wouldn't start. So, big shout out to my brother at Auto Auction Rebuilds, Mr. Randy here. He's a wizard.
A wizard.
A wizard.
Me. Wow.
Yeah.
But I got to give a big shout out to TJ's Auto over here,
Please.
Mr. Timothy Joseph, because this is his first Copart car. And he did all that wiring on his own with no help from me. He's never done wiring like that. He did it on his own. So
yes, sir.
I'm proud of him for taking this on and doing his first Copart fix. Hopefully it turns into a profitable Copart flip.
We'll see.
We'll see. We got to finish putting it together.
Yes, we do.
All right. So for those of you that were wondering what was wrong with it and what had to be done to get it working again, obviously I had to pull out the handy dandy multimeter here. We had to do some continuity testing, and what we found is that it all came down to the starter solenoid signal wire, the one wire that engages the solenoid and causes it to turn over the starter. That signal wire is actually down here. It's a purple wire. You can see, well, you can't see. There's a purple wire. I got my finger under it right there. We had to check for continuity, and once we verified continuity, we checked a couple of fuses, we checked the relay, made sure the relay was good, and as it turned out, it was simply a loose connection in the relay. That's all it was. We got it done, and well, she runs now. She runs, she moves back and forth, but we don't know if it drives yet. And we're not gonna know if it drives until the next video. So, cliffhanger, you got to stay tuned, because Timmy boy over there, Timothy, TJ, has got to finish putting this sucker back together. You got some work to do. Yeah, you got to bolt all this crap back together, and then we can take it for a spin, and I think it's going to be all right. So, that's it. Big shout out to TJ's Auto. Like I said, go check him out, man. Go check out TJ's Auto. This is his first one. Hopefully it turns into a profitable flip, and only time will tell. Check out his channel to find out if the dang thing's going to actually drive down the highway. It's got to check engine light, obviously. We'll have to run the diagnostics. There's more stuff to do to it once it's bolted back together. But check out
That's all, folks.
That's all, folks. Check out TJ's Auto. Stay safe out there, buddy. We will catch you very soon in the next one.